welcome to my channel. It is Dave back in a video for y'all. Today I'm going to be doing my nails. If y'all haven't read that title, I'm about to do my nails real quick because as y'all see, like, baby baby, no. Yeah, so I'm about to do my nails real quick. I actually do my nails, but I don't have time for it. It takes me a really long time because I am a beginner, so it takes me a really long time to do them. So when I don't have time, I just use press-ons. These are press-ons, and I have these cute red press-ons because Christmas is next week, so I just figured be festive and just do like red. And this is like a matte red, and I got these from the beauty supply store for $5. So press-ons are so inexpensive. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pop these on real quick just because this gotta go. Like, I'm tired of looking at it. I'm tired of feeling ugly. Like, I just feel bummy. Like, this is so ugly. I can't look at it anymore. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show y'all how I apply my press-ons. And I feel like mine lasts for a really long time. Like, this one literally just came off last night, but I've had these on for like 3 weeks. I kid you not. So they do last for me personally, just because I'm not that hard on my hands. They last for me for a really long time. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do my press-ons, but first I have to take all these off. And what I'm gonna be using is this little nail tool right here, this one. And I'm just gonna do like that and kind of like just pop. It takes a while just because you don't wanna like crack your nail. So you wanna take your time and really like do it gently. Like, don't just like, you know what I'm saying? Don't just go into there and try to pop it off and you're gonna wind up like ripping your nail and it's gonna be a mess. So I'm about to do that part, taking them off, but I don't really want to show y'all that because it's not really that interesting. But I'm gonna come back once they're all popped off and show you what the next step is. So I highly recommend press-on nails if you just don't have the time to go get your nails done, if you can't afford to go get your nails done, or if you're like me and you can do your nails but you don't have the time for that, then do press-ons. So yeah, I'm about to do that. I look a hot mess, y'all. I'm in my natural habitat, like natural habitat, just in the house today. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that all the nails are popped off, as y'all can see, they are a hot mess. So what we're gonna do now is take some tools and we're gonna fix it. You know what I'm saying? Clean up my cuticles, clean up my nails. I'm gonna cut my nails and file them a little bit because they're all like misshapen and looking crazy. So I'm about to fix that now. Okay, so I went ahead and cleaned up my cuticles and everything a little bit, but what you're gonna do is take your nail file. I already did it, but you take your nail file and you kind of make your nails rough. So go on it, don't do it too aggressively or your nails are gonna be like too thin and then it's gonna make it all like tender and it's gonna hurt and they're gonna be sore. So don't do that, but you just like slightly go over them so they look like that, like they're hard and they're rough. This is the key to having your press-on stay on for a long time because when it's too smooth, they're just gonna pop off. When your nail is too smooth, it's not gonna like stay down, and all the oil and lotion and whatever you're using on a day-to-day basis is gonna make it just slip off. And you probably think you cute, you doing stuff, and you look down and you be like, dang, where'd my nail go? So that's what happens when it's too smooth. So you wanna make it like rough, hard, and like rigid so that glue like really stays on there. So now what I'm gonna do is open this up and find my sizing. You want to find like the sizes for your nails because they come with different sizes and you need to find the one that fits the best for your finger. Okay, so these are my 2 sets of nails. You got the left side and the right side, and I just kind of laid them out because it makes it easier for me. So now we're gonna take the glue that they provided for us. Another big key is holding it down for like 10 to 20 seconds. Like, you just want to press it down Now, it does get a little messy just because I'm not a professional, you know what I'm saying, nail person or whatever. So sometimes, like, as you can see, the glue will kind of come on the sides or whatever, but you want to hold it down to make sure it's like pressed and like evenly pressed on your nail, and it dries like evenly but pressed on the nail, if that makes sense. So sometimes the glue, like if you put too much glue like I did, then it will probably like come out the side a little bit. I feel like it's like a small mistake, but usually, you know what I'm saying, like you wash your hands and stuff, and most of the time like it'll kind of come off, kind of. But just be careful with the amount of glue that you use and the pressure that you're putting if you want it to be like super duper perfect. But these are temporary. Like, I don't ever expect my press-ons to be like absolutely 100% perfect, because I don't expect anybody to be like inspecting my nails like that. It's just kind of a, you need your nails done, pop them on and go type of situation. So I have these 2 on so far, and then I have 3 more, and then my little full set is done. Okay, so this is my little manicure. My little full set is done. I gotta go wash my hands, and then I'm gonna put some cuticle oil just so they don't look so dry. I feel like my hands just look dry and my cuticles look dry and dusty. But yeah, this is pretty much how I apply my press-ons. I wear press-ons very, very often just because I don't go to the nail shop anymore since COVID hit, like since what, March, April. The last nail vlog is actually on my channel, but that's the last time I ever went to the nail shop. So I do everything else at home, and when I don't have time to do my nails, which I just haven't lately and I haven't been feeling like doing it, then I wear my press-ons. $5 press-ons, boom. And it's matte red, right in time for the holidays. Christmas is literally like, what, 6 days? I believe Christmas is like 6 days away. So these are perfect for the holidays. And then probably for New Year's, I'm probably gonna do something else. But this is it for now. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys go cop you some $5 press-ons and call it a day, baby. Put them press-ons on. They cute. I promise you nobody will really be able to tell unless they like inspecting your nails like that. But nobody should be all up on you anyway. Like, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, you don't know when, then you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on social media. Y'all might peep the nails in some of my upcoming pictures or my story or something. I don't know. Y'all will peep them though. But yeah, make sure y'all follow me on social media, and I will see y'all in my next video. I love you, Sunnies.